Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 30th June 2024, Sunday. Krodhi Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishma Ritu, Ani Masam, that Midhuna Masam, Krishna Paksham. Up to 1:35 Navami, then Dashami. Bhanu Vasaram up to 9:30 a.m. Revati, then Ashwini Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Kalam 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yamakandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guligai 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's good time 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 9 morning a.m. Simharashi, then Kanni Rashi.